family. We are definitely living in the end times. And I just wanted to share a few verses that would get us ready for eternity, I suppose. Romans 10 verse 9. If you confess with your mouth that Jesus is Lord and you believe in your heart that God raised him from the dead, you will be saved. And that's salvation, right? Philippians 2:12. So you continue to work your salvation with fear and trembling, for it is God who works in you to will and to act in order to fulfill his good purpose. Yeah. And salvation comes with a lifestyle. And that lifestyle is go and sin no more. That's John 8:11. So it's very important not to make sinful lifestyle choices. Eternity is at stake. Make the right choices.